Features of ServiceNow. Features of ServiceNow. Features of ServiceNow. Features of ServiceNow. Okay, first feature, different features are there. First, before that one, ServiceNow offers ServiceNow offers a wide array of features, that make it powerful, a powerful platform, for IT service management, IT service management, workflow automation, workflow automation, workflow automation, workflow automation, and enterprise solutions, and enterprise solutions, enterprise solutions. Okay, next, observing very clearly features, like first one is ITSM, information technology service management. It provides ITSM provides information technology service management, provides tools for incident problem change, request management, and request management. Second one is ITOM, information technology operational management, information technology operation management, operation management. Now simply observing very clearly, monitor infrastructure and operations in real time. Monitor infrastructure and operations in real time. And third one is ITBM, business management, ITBM aligns IT operations with the business objectives. Align IT operations with the business objectives, through project and portfolio management, through PPM, project and portfolio management, through PPM, project portfolio management. Next one, ITAM, okay, next one, ITAM, that means information technology asset management, information technology asset management. information technology, asset management. Asset management. Okay, now observing very clearly, tracks hardware and hardware and software assets through configuration management through CMDB configuration management database configuration configuration management database. Okay, next another one is workflow automation. Workflow automation. Workflow automation. Automate a repetitive task with the drag and drop workflow editors. Automate automate repetitive task repetitive tasks repetitive task with the drag and drop workflow editors. Automates repetitive tasks with the drag and drop workflow editors. Next one, self-service portal. Provides another feature, self-service self-service portal. Self-service portal provides a user-friendly. It provides a user-friendly portal for employees and and customers customers to submit the request to submit the request to submit the request track the issues track issues and find the solutions find the solutions. Okay, observing very clearly, ITSM, ITOM, ITBM, ITAM. Next, workflow automation, self-service portal, AI and machine learning. Okay, observing very clearly, AI and machine learning means predictive intelligence to analyze the pattern, automate the categorization, and recommended solutions. Here, observing very clearly, AI and machine learning, AI and machine learning, AI and machine learning. Now observing virtual virtual agents for virtual agents for virtual agents for conversational assistance conversational conversational assistance. Okay, offers virtual agents for conversational assistance. Integration capabilities integration capabilities. Okay, seamlessly integrate with the third party tools. Okay, seamlessly integrates with the third party tools like Microsoft Teams, Slack, Jira, and and AWS and more. Integration capabilities. Next, another one is custom app development. Custom app development. Custom app development. Custom app development or application development. Okay, by using ServiceNow, we can build the custom application. Provide the Now platform app engine. It provides the Now platform, Now platform, Now platform engine, Now platform app engine for building custom applications. For building custom applications provides the Now platform app engine for building custom applications. It offers tools like low code, no code development to empower non-technical users. Next one, incident and problem management, HR service delivery. HR service delivery. HRSD, human resource service delivery. HRSD automates HR process like onboarding, case management, knowledge sharing, knowledge sharing, offboarding, and etc. Okay, HRSD, human resource service delivery. Security operations, security operations, simply we are calling as a SecOps, security operations. Okay, now observe provides tools for incident response, vulnerability management, and threat intelligence. It provides tools for it provides tools for provides tools for provides tools for incident response, vulnerability management, and threat intelligence, threat intelligence, threat intelligence. Next, another feature, performance analytics, performance analytics, performance analytics, performance analytics. Okay, real time, it provides real time dashboards, key performance indicators, and reporting. Provides real time dashboards, key performance indicators, key performance indicators like as a KPIs and reporting performance analytics. Next one, customer service management, CSM, customer service management CSM. customer service management. Streamline customer service process. Streamline streamline customer customer service process. Service process. Service process. Okay. Streamline customer service process. Next one, integrate with backend systems for seamless service delivery. Next one, mobile first experience. Mobile first experience. Mobile first experience. Experience. Mobile first experience. That means offers mobile app for accessing ServiceNow features on the go. Okay, offers a mobile app for accessing ServiceNow features. ServiceNow features. ServiceNow features. Next one, it is a cloud-based platform. Cloud-based platform. Cloud-based platform. Hosted on the cloud, ensuring high availability, scalability, and reduce the infrastructure cost. Hosted on the cloud, ensuring high availability, high availability, high availability, scalability, scalability, and reduce the infrastructure cost. Infrastructure cost. Infrastructure cost. Okay. And so many features are there. These are the best features of ServiceNow. Okay. ServiceNow offers a wide array of features that make it powerful platform for IT service management, workflow automation, and enterprise solutions. First one feature is ITSM, next feature is ITOM, ITBM, ITAM, workflow automation, self-service portal, AI and machine learning, integration capabilities, custom app development, HRSD, human resource, service delivery, security operations. Next one, performance analytics, CSM, customer service management, mobile first experience, cloud-based platform, and so many features are there. These are the features of ServiceNow. Features of ServiceNow. Thank you guys. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates.